Guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain. Guys, are you also preparing for Goethe exam and you are facing multiple mistakes? So here's the video. In this video, we're gonna cover the common mistakes which students do whenever they are preparing for Goethe exam. I hope you're gonna love this video. In case you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush-up class and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in the video. Let's go.
Common mistakes students make while preparing for Goethe exam. Preparing for Goethe exam requires more than just learning vocabulary and grammar. Students need a balanced approach that develops all four language skills, that is reading, listening, writing and speaking. Unfortunately, many students focus too much on one area while neglecting other. By understanding these common mistakes, learners can create a more effective study plan and improve their chances of success. One of the biggest mistakes students make is starting their exam preparation too late. Many learners underestimate the amount of preparation required. They begin studying only a few weeks before the exam and then feel stressed and overwhelmed. Effective preparation requires time to understand the exam structure, question types, evaluation criteria, and time management techniques. Starting early allows students to practice regularly and build confidence gradually. Many students believe that if their grammar is perfect, they will automatically pass the Goethe exam. However, the exam evaluates four skills, that is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Grammar is important, but it is only one part of language learning. Students should focus on improving all four skills equally. A balanced preparation strategy is much more effective than concentrating only on grammar rules. Another common mistake is ignoring listening practice. Many students spend most of their time reading textbooks and studying grammar. As a result, they find listening tasks difficult during the exam. In real exam situations, students hear native speakers speaking naturally and sometimes quite quickly. Regular listening practice through podcasts, videos, and sample exams helps learners become familiar with different accent and speaking speed. To avoid these mistakes, students should develop effective study habits. First, create a realistic study schedule and follow it consistently. Second, practice active recall instead of simply rereading notes. Third, maximize learning resources such as books, videos, podcasts, and mock tests. Finally, review your progress regularly and identify areas that need improvement. Consistent and organized study habits leads to better exam performance. Memorizing writing templates without understanding them. Many students memorize complete writing template and letters without understanding their meaning. This approach can be risky because exam topics change. If students only memorize text, they may not know how to adapt them to new situations. Examiners can easily recognize memorized content. Therefore, students should focus on understanding sentence structures and learning how to express their own ideas effectively. Not practicing speaking enough. Many students know the answers in their head but freeze during the speaking exam. Why? Because they never practice speaking aloud. Speaking requires confidence and fluency. Practice with a partner, your teacher, or even record yourself speaking. The more you speak, the more natural your German becomes. Remember, speaking is a skill, not just knowledge. Not timing themselves during practice. Another mistake is practicing without a timer. During the actual exam, time management is extremely important. Many students spend too much time on one question and then don't finish the paper. While solving mock tests, always use the official exam timing. This helps you develop speed and confidence. Using difficult vocabulary unnecessarily. Some students think using difficult vocabulary will impress the examiner. Actually, that's a myth. If you use advanced work incorrectly, you will lose marks. Simple, correct German is always better than complicated, incorrect German. So focus on accuracy, not showing off your vocabulary. Remember, correct German scores better than difficult German. Ignoring their weakest module. Most students enjoy practicing their strongest module. For example, if they are good at reading, they keep reading. If grammar is easy for them, they continue studying grammar. But improvement happens when you work on your weakest area. Identify your weakest module and spend extra time improving it. That's how your overall score increases. Not solving mock tests. Mock tests are one of the best preparation tools. They help you understand exam preparation, time limits, question patterns, and your current level, and also your personal weaknesses. Many students only study grammar and vocabulary but never solve a complete exam paper. Before your Goethe exam, solve several full length mock tests under real exam conditions.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German. German Gyan. Take care.